We all know we should be drinking more water, but this might actually make us want to. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. We know we should be drinking more water, we should be saving more money, losing weight, eating healthy, a lot of things we know we should do, but doing them is a little bit harder than actually knowing that we should do them. But this company here, Cirkul, has made this water bottle, which is supposed to encourage us to drink more water because it makes water taste delicious. And if things tasted delicious, that's kind of the key. It's actually one of the criticisms I've had of meal delivery services. They all try to be healthy and right portioned and the right caloric intake and all that. How about just making meal delivery services delicious? Like, why do you have to be my mama about it, right? Just because I hang out with yo mama? Anyway, listen, Cirkul makes this water bottle here, and it's kind of nice. I filled it up with some water. It's got this funky little top here. The Cirkul band right around it is a little bit of a silicone band, a little rubberized, so you get a nice grip on it. It's got a little loop there, but you can see it's got a huge opening. An activist. All right, so it's got a big opening, and that's because of this little guy here, and this is what makes, apparently, the Cirkul taste delicious. Now, these come in all sorts of different flavors. I grabbed this one called cherry. I did order a bunch of these. Cirkul didn't send me anything. Paid full ass retail for everything like I always do because I'm just a loner here. And this is what this thing looks like. Now, in this, we have some flavor cartridges. It's like 4 inches long here. It's like a plastic housing, and I kind of see in here maybe a little bit of like a finned cartridge that presumably has that flavor. And up here on the top, we've got this little pop top, just like that, because you're gonna have to tilt this down. You're gonna use gravity while you're sucking on this guy. And then right up here is where we dial in the flavor. There's a little tab right there that helps you kind of move this around, but you can see a little window there, and there are some numbers. You can go all the way to this plus sign, which maybe just turns everything off. A lot of people say 3 is kind of the right flavor profile for them. It goes up to 9 plus, so let's call it a 10, but that's how you dial the sucker in. I'm not sure if you have to prime it or anything. It actually sounds like there's a little fluid in there already. All right, so I'm gonna just twist this guy on, just like that. And what I was actually worried about is that displacing a bunch of water. You can see it really doesn't displace much, so I could actually throw in a little more water there. Now I'm just gonna turn this guy to 3. Why don't we start where everyone recommends starting, right there. And then wish this kind of was a little looser so it'd flop open a little bit more, but let's go ahead and try it and see if this thing tastes like cherry water. That's interesting. You do have to suck a little bit. Maybe that gets a little easier as more water flows through there. I'm getting a distinct cherry flavor. 3 might be the right level, but I'm gonna move it to 2 here. I'm still getting a lot of cherry at 2, so probably in there is probably my comfort level. I wouldn't say it tastes quite like cherry juice, but somewhere between cherry water and cherry juice. It's actually quite good, and I know they have some things like cola and lemonade and a bunch of other stuff. I did order a variety of these. They have some that are sugar-free. I think maybe they use saccharin or something like that, but and actually this one says no sugar. I tell you what, the no sugar stuff doesn't usually taste as good to me as the sugary stuff, but this tastes pretty good. I guess I wouldn't have guessed it until I saw the box there, but the stuff with actual real sugar probably tastes even better. What? Okay, a couple things I want to mention here. This is not the easiest position to drink it out of, and you do have to suck a little bit to get it out. This isn't a problem if you're sitting here at your desk, you're taking a walk, those types of things, but if you're thinking this is going to be your companion on a long drive, you don't necessarily want to have your head tilted out while you're driving. You definitely can. Some of these cartridges are called like a straw cartridge, and they have, I think, like a straw that goes all the way down, and you can kind of suck it out like this out of the top. So that might be better for your application. I did not get that because from some of the reviews I was reading, people say you have to kind of suck really hard. Even though I'm sucking with gravity working, you are doing a little bit of work there. However, this is really interesting. It tastes good. One of the things that I think this is like these. This is one of those water additives. You pop the top, you squirt it into your water bottle. They're fairly cheap. They add flavor to the water. I've used them before. Now, I will say this is probably kind of the same thing, but it is a little bit more advanced, and I actually do think it's a little more convenient. First of all, I always forget I have these things. You get your water, maybe this is in your desk drawer, your pantry, somewhere else. You never have it with you. These things you put in the water bottle. You don't have to think about it when you get new water, right? You can fill this up again. I think this thing will affect about 60 ounces of water. This is only like 24, maybe 25 ounces. And so it's convenient to have it built into the water bottle. The other thing about this is that you can't undo anything. feeling, right? I squirt it sometimes. I'm like, it's a little weak. Squirt a little more, and then, oh, it's too strong. Now I've got to water it down. So you're kind of doing this kind of thing with it. This, if you don't like it, you just dial it a little bit different. Hey, I want a little bit more. I want a little bit less. There, I dialed it up to 3. You can dial it in right where you want it. So it might be a little bit more efficient like that, but they are a little bit more expensive because you're kind of buying this whole container, I think, every time. And I don't know if this is patented, but I feel like this could be an easy aftermarket thing. A lot of other companies offering something like this bring the price down. But if you want to drink more water, if you like the idea of making flavored water as simple as possible, check out Cirkul. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!